our top stories tonight. Underprivileged children given a reason to smile. School dropouts a major concern in Gauteng, and child maintenance is said to be under threat. Good evening, I'm Nelly Siwe Ngumalo, and this is your Soweto TV News. The problems of cleft lips and palates is said to be a common one in Africa. In an effort to help underprivileged children with facial conditions, the Smile Foundation has successfully partnered with academic hospitals to help needy candidates. 23 children received free facial reconstructive surgery at the Chris Hani Baragwanath Academic Hospital today as part of the Smile Week campaign. Some of the children will receive facial reconstruction at Matleke Johannesburg Academic Hospital. As today marked the last day of the Smile Week campaign, the Deputy Minister of Health, Dr. Gwen Ramokgopa, visited Bara to celebrate the day.
Tani xiphemu xo tlangela vhiki ra n'wayitelo, museketeri wa holobye wa ndzawulo ya rihanyo Dr. Gwen Ramokgopa a endzerile xibedhlele xa Bara namuntlha ku tlangela xikan'we na vana lava nga kuma vuhandzuri byo va nyika n'wayitelo.
The Smile Week is a partnership between the public sector and the private sector, as well as society, because there are many people who contribute towards the success of this project. And indeed, it is my belief and the belief also and the conviction of the health department that if you give a child a smile, then you make those children happy. And if children are happy, they are able to innovate, they are able to be productive, and we are investing in a better future for our country.
Mutshamaxitulu wa Smile Foundation u vule leswaku xikongomelokulu I ku tisa ntsako eka vana lava.
The Smile Foundation strives and runs to help those children that really need the support and the care. And we can only do it with the support of the heroes. The heroes being the surgeons, the heroes being the nurses, the heroes being the administrative staff that unite the hospitals across the country in order to give our citizens the health care that they deserve.
Vana vo ringana 23 va endliwile vuhandzuri lebyi na vona va ta kota ku n'wayitela ku kotisa van'wana. Basani Sithole, Soweto TV News, Bara.
Each year, large numbers of learners leave school without receiving a national senior certificate. And without that certificate, school dropouts are more likely to head down a path that leads to unemployment, jobs, and the possible continuation of a cycle of poverty. The Gauteng Department of Education today held an Indaba to discuss the high number of dropouts from Gauteng schools. The department seeks to suggest ways to keep learners in school. It said the dropout rate for primary schools was on the rise, with the biggest impact being felt in grade 1 and 7. High school learners are said to be leaving in grade 10 and 11.
Pregnancy, poverty, and lack of parental guidance are some of the primary causes of learners' dropouts. This was said during the discussions held by the Department of Education today to investigate the incidence of learners' dropouts.
The researchers are sharing with us that learner dropout is actually a complex process. It's not an event. It's something that takes place over a number of years. Young people become more and more disengaged from the learning process. Poverty is clearly a factor. If learners